Transform your truck with Rough Country Sport Bar. This head-turning upgrade offers incredible style and aggressive good looks that's sure to gather lots of attention. With a solid steel construction and geometric design, Rough Country Sport Bar is a durable add-on accessory that blends in perfectly with modern truck stylings. Each kit features a driver's side and passenger side support brace with mesh accents and a laser-cut RC logo for unique good looks. Upgrade your Sport Bar with an optional 50-inch LED light bar for incredible forward-facing illumination, or run the Sport Bar by itself for a sleeker look. The durable cross brace is fully customizable, featuring several pre-drilled holes, allowing you to mount any type of LED accessory that uses a standard pillar mount, such as a series of 2-inch LED light cubes for a unique look. Rough Country Sport Bar is easy to install with only slight drilling required and connects snugly to your bed railing for a sturdy fit. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.